I posted the video of part 2 of selling at the flea market yesterday, and you guys are absolutely loving it. Every single comment's like, yo, make more of that, make more of that. So I think next week what I'll do is I'm gonna try Saturday. I've done Thursday, I've done Sunday. Now let's give Saturday a try. Let's see how it is. Let's see how much I make. And you know, maybe we'll start doing this a weekly thing where I just go to the flea market and sell stuff. But that being said, today I'm going to be thrifting. I'm gonna be looking for stuff to sell at the flea market as well as online. The good stuff I'm basically gonna sell online, and then the stuff that I get for $1, $2 that I can sell for 5 or 10 at the flea market, I'll buy. So we're outside of the thrift store. We're currently waiting for them to open, but let's hope we find some good stuff. Let's hope that there's good stuff off the new racks. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, smash the thumbs up button, and let's get it, guys.
Just found this perfectly faded Gap mock neck long sleeve, and it's funny because like Yeezy is with Gap now, so it's like this is something that they would produce. I feel like that like big neck, perfectly faded long sleeve. Ferragamo dress shoes, pretty beat. I don't know how much they are. Jeez, these are so heavy, and they want $100. I've never heard of this Mephiso. Alright, let's see. New rack. Anything good? Racks are super tight today, so you can't really tell what I'm looking at. Nike shirt, Gildan. Damn, nothing good. Nothing good on this one. Well, let's hope this rack's a little better. Staple pigeon, but has horrible stains on it. These racks are just not good today. It's all like just basic dress shirts, polo Ralph Lauren long sleeve. It's actually not bad. I don't really see long sleeves too often, but nothing crazy, nothing worth getting. Active wear. Where are these Gap shorts? Nike. Sadly, nothing.
Well, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Today we definitely lost at this thrift store. We got 3 new racks. We didn't get one single piece. We didn't find anything that's already sitting there. But let's go hit up store number 2. Maybe we get some better luck there. If not, you know, don't stress. I'm not too worried about it. I do have a bunch of inventory that I still have to list. So maybe this is just a sign that says that I shouldn't be buying more inventory and that I should start listing the inventory that I have. But let's go to store number 2.
Let's see if we see any good shoes sitting, but it doesn't seem like there's anything good. Air Max, some Converse. Let's check over here. Anything good? Nothing. Well, this store was definitely better. We have this Boston Red Sox, nice little jersey. Super sick multicolored champion with a little embroidered spell out. Basic Thrasher shirt. Another champion big logo. Tommy Hilfiger. Sick Got Ammo shirt. Another Thrasher shirt. This Nike shirt is like super thin. Like I think it'll be perfect for like when it's very hot out. And I found this Guns N' Roses reprint shirt. I'm not sure if I'm gonna grab it.
Well, store number 2 was definitely obviously better because we got items versus store number 1, we didn't get anything. Nothing too crazy, you know, just a few champion shirts, just some Thrasher shirts, bread and butter, but time is money, so I'd rather find something and at least make some money than just go and don't make anything. So even if I make, you know, I bought these shirts for $1 a piece, even if I sell them for $10 a piece, that's still, you know, $50 that I turned from $5, 5 into 50. So either way, I'm still happy, I'm still good. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to Starbucks. No, not for me, I don't drink coffee. But my friend that you always see in the videos that you saw in Colorado and everything, she actually works right by this thrift store, and she's currently working right now. It's a little cold out today. It's about 67, and for Florida, that's cold. I know everyone up north are like 67. That's hot. That's a joke. But I'm gonna get some Starbucks. I'm gonna get her some coffee and surprise her with that. So let's go to Starbucks, get some coffee, and then surprise her at work.
Give me just a second. No, it's in my hand.
Thank you so much. Well, I called her and asked her what she wanted, and I had to get stuff for her coworkers too, so I don't even know what I got. I got a green tea latte, hot chocolate, and then I don't know what that big one is. So as I was walking into my friend's workplace, my camera died and I didn't have my backup battery. So I literally just went home and just did the rest of the thing. But now it is Wednesday, the next day, and I'm headed to the thrift store. I'm headed to the thrift store, guys. Hopefully it's a better day. Hopefully find some more things than we did yesterday. You know, yesterday we only found a few t-shirts, so I'm hoping we get a little better luck today. So I hope you guys do enjoy this little next half of the video, and let's hit up the thrift store.
Well, today's finds, we found this old Screen Stars Through the Loom Ibiza shirt with like this, I don't even know what kind of creature it is, just craziness. Then I found this Diamond Supply little crew neck. I actually didn't find this, another thrifter found this, but because like I went to a different rack, he went to another one, but I cashed out him 25 so that way I could buy this. But it is the vintage DeLong made in USA little satin jacket, so I'm into this. 25 bucks basically, not $5. This was fire, brand new with the tags, Lion King, all over print, not double-sided though sadly, but still a crazy find, all over print. And then I did find this, but I think I'm gonna leave this. I don't do mornings. The neck color's huge.
Well, we just left the first thrift store, and you know, that's just how it goes. When you walk into a thrift store and someone goes to one rack and another person goes to the other rack, and you find something good, but that other person also finds something good, and you're like, damn, why didn't I just quickly hit up both racks? Well, that wasn't the case today. So I paid $8 for everything, and then I gave the kid $25. So basically I paid $33 for everything, which at the end of the day is still a really good deal. I don't mind it, but I could have only paid $8 if I would have just went to the other rack instead of went to the one I went to. So it is what it is. We're headed to the next thrift store. That Lion King shirt is crazy. I'm not sure how much that goes for. The Miami satin jacket will probably go for about $60 at the minimum. Maybe even all the way up to 80 to 100, but I'm not exactly sure. I just took a gamble. I said I could probably sell it for 60, so I can give you 25 for it. So yeah, that was a nice find. It was definitely better than yesterday's, I will say. But let's hit up another thrift store and hope we get some better things.
Alright, let's see if there's any good shoes here. Look at these North Face sandals. They look huge, like a size 13 or 14. These fake polo. And then I saw these Hilfiger like climbing shoes. These are pretty cool. Oh, they're $35 though? Oh no, they're $18. There's a 35 on the bottom though, so I wonder if they got them from like Ross. I wonder if they're vintage. Look at the inside. See the Tommy? Let's see what size they are. If they're my size, maybe these are new Colorado mountain shoes. 10.5. Too small. Pretty cool though. Little Hilfiger, little hit right there too. But not worth for 18, so I think we're gonna leave those. Look at these Polo Ralph Lauren Polo little boat shoes, $22.
Well, this is the final thrift store of today's trip to the thrift. This thrift store we found the Be True fly knits. We found all that stuff for like $15 last time, so let's hope we strike gold again.
Alright, let's see, we have a new rack. Tipsy Elves, Black Santa. What's this, a bear shirt? I think this is women's mixed with men's, so we might not find much in here. What's this gray shirt? Nothing. Nothing. Oh wow, look at these belts though. These are crazy. All these belts are insane. I may put these in the cart and show my friend, because she loves like these types of crazy belts. Let's check this rolling rack. What's this sweatshirt? No, I think this is all women's stuff. Women's. Oh, the men's is right here on this end. Of course, I just pushed the rack the other way. Alright, this is men's stuff. Let's see. Eagles Jimmy Buffett 2018 tour shirt. Seems like there's 2 of them. We'll put this in the cart and look them up because I don't know what a 2018 tour shirt would go for. Perfect tee. What is this? A NASA crew neck, but this is H&M. 100% bacon shirt. What are these? Nike track pants? Oh, these are nice. Little Nike hit. What size though? Size XL. Put these in the cart. And it's on to rack number 3. Let's see where the men's stuff is on this side. What is this? OP. Just dress shirts, nothing special. Let's hit the normal racks. Well, I'm just leaving with both Jimmy Buffett tour shirts, front and back. And then I found this, I just love the fade on it and the colors. Vintage Robinson shirt. The gray on it is just insane. Single stitch, Fruit of the Loom 2XL.
So, unfortunately, that wraps up today's trip to the thrift. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys check out link down below. There's gonna be 2 links. The first link is gonna be everything that I have listed for sale on Mercari. Then the second link, if you've never used Mercari, download it. We'll each get like $30 or $50 if you list something. I don't know the stipulations, but click the second link if you've never downloaded it before. I'm also in the process of bringing back emcvlogs.com just to make it a lot easier for you guys to buy stuff. I'm gonna list everything on there as well as listing on third parties. It's gonna be double work, but I feel like it's gonna pay off in the long run. So don't worry, in about a week or so, I am gonna be bringing back emcvlogs.com, so just stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm really trying to upload obviously every single day. 2021, I've been killing it, so I just wanna keep this consistency. Tomorrow's vlog is gonna be a Plato's Closet vlog and just kind of continuing content every single day. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and don't forget guys, let's get it.